If you now want to close, all right, the folks, let's roll on. Where are the rest of the people then? One, two, three. Okay. All right, now let's continue. So net profit now. Again, found in the profit is found in the profit and loss account. Net profit is found in the profit and loss account, and it consists of the gross profit plus any revenue other than that from sales, such as rent received, commission received, earned, less the total cost used up during the period other than those already included in the cost of goods sold. Now, where the costs used up exceed the gross profit plus other revenue, the result is said to be our net loss. Now, you got to know this, that when they talk about other costs which are included in the cost of goods sold, they are referring to what we call expenses. So therefore, to find their net profit, it is what? Gross profit plus other revenue, if there is any other revenue, minus expenses, and that give you a net profit. All right?
Sir, repeat. Jesus, my pen. Jesus.
All right. Now, I was saying a while ago that when you talk about costs, total costs, other than those in the cost of goods sold, they are referring to expenses, right? Which are not relating to the direct production of goods and services. But now, to find your net profit is simply this: gross profit plus any other revenue, if there is any other revenue, minus expenses. That's where you find net profit, all right? So net profit is what is left of the gross profit after all other expenses have been what? Deducted. So the formula is simple. I'm going to give you a formula for it on the screen.
Yes, please.
Because someone really use,
Sir, hey.
So the formula is net profit. Yeah, with that face one equal gross profit plus other revenue. Notice that if any is there. So come on. Plus other revenue minus expenses. So basically, you have to add these first. So add up them here two, yeah. And you minus this. Location. The net profit. All right. Now, notice that I said that if any, good, because there can be a situation where there is none. All right. Now, by the way, I presume you have your answers for the previous activity, right? All right, let's go.
Yes,
now.
sir.
You have them, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, not the one we do before.
Yeah, man, we do before.
Just do.
Yeah. All right, now.
Yeah, it's 31, other 30.
All right, you're gonna know. Wait. Everybody have this, by the way, this formula?
Yes, sir.
We're moving on. All right, now we're gonna use, so we're gonna come back from here. So what we got here? So therefore, we got 856 for the first one, right? For A, right? So there you go.
Yes, sir.
All right, nice. Now, we are going to use that part to help us calculate down here. So therefore, what's gonna happen now here is that you're gonna add 856 from which is your gross profit, right? You're gonna add 856, which is your gross profit, plus your other revenue, which is what? 0, right? This case other revenue is what? 0. Therefore, you end up with 856. Hold on, let me just put it on the screen because someone might say, me I do. So therefore, it will be 856, which is what? Gross profit, right? Plus 0.
Oh, yeah, that is.
Because the 0 is the what? Other revenue, right? That would be equal to 856.
Nico. No, Nico.
Come on, what is
Nico quiet today.
Let me agenda, folks. So it'll be 856, right? So that this now would give you your gross profit plus what? Other revenue, good? Right? From the previous section. Then now you're gonna minus what? The expenses. So you would minus 2622. When you do that now, you get the answer of you have 856 minus 2622, and you get a gross loss, sorry, a net loss of 1,007. So this now will be the answer for this section, net loss. A negative figure, right?
We can dash it till something by figure there.
Clear? As mod? So therefore,
Mud not clear.
Huh?
Mud not clear.
That is true. Mud ain't clear.
All right.
All right, so therefore, first to begin, you add your 856 from you add your gross profit to your what? Other revenue. Then what? Minus expenses. In this case, though, we have what? Net loss of 1,766. Please write this down.
Negative.
Yeah, negative.
So you don't put negative.
Once it in the brackets, it mean negative. It mean negative. Yeah?
Negative.
How many know that?
And in accounts, if you put anything in brackets, it means subtracting. But I will tell you when I get there. All right, next one now. Can I erase this part, please?
Yes, sir. Erase it. Very nice.
All right, so next section now. Same procedure. All right, so it's 40,207 for B minus 7530, and that figure was what? 677, right? So
yes, sir.
So you're gonna add your gross profit now, which is 677, to your other revenue. Good. So therefore,
Plus.
so you're gonna add now. So we're gonna add 677 now, which is your gross profit, right? Plus other revenues, which is 4,280. That would equal to how much, by the way?
8,257.
What you say?
808.
You mean the overall answer? You mean how much that?
Sir, 8,257.
Oh, you mean the overall answer?
11,057.
You mean the net profit? Hold on, man. I'm now going to so far. Wait, so come there.
11,057.
So therefore, this now would be a what? Gross profit plus other revenue will give you what? 11,057. Then now, you're going to minus the expenses of 2,800, and that will give you 2,000 whatever. 8,000, right?
8,257.
Yes. So therefore, you'd have a net profit. Eight, 257. Hold on, this is man. Who's even in background? Me to Mike, please. Because somebody don't respect and no manners.
Ahmed, unmute. Nathan.
More than that, yeah, right. I person across. Person tell us if we be quiet and them contact with the that. But boy, I'm tell you, I can know sometimes, man. Sure. All right, so that's the answer. So therefore, there'll be a net profit of 8,257. So you add your what? You add your gross profit plus your other revenues, which will give you 11,057. Then you minus the expenses, which will give you 8,257. That will be, therefore, you say you have a net profit of 8,257. All right. Good. So by now you should realize that a trading profit and loss account is made up of two different accounts. A trading account and also what? Profit and loss account. And in your trading account, you calculate what? Gross profit. In your profit and loss account, you calculate your net profit. All right. Let's move on now. But have this, by the way. Speak if you have. Speak.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Then now, next one now, which is what? C. Same procedure. You can look for your gross profit in C, which is the gross profit in C is 19,370 minus 10 is 8,870. You're gonna add that now to your what? Other revenue, right? Same procedure again. So you're gonna add this now. So you're gonna add your this is your gross profit of 8,870 plus 500, and that would equal to 9,370. And minus
2,500. 6,870.
All right. So therefore, you have a net profit of 6,870. All right. So I don't think I need to do anything more regarding this section. You know, you figure more or less know what to do now. All right. So it is 8 for C. The net profit is 6,870. You can do the rest for yourself. All right. You don't want that.
So I will do D together because D kind of look tricky with the two negatives.
I want to tell you, lad. Man, all right.
Yeah, because we have a negative and a negative at the end, so.
It matters not. I see a difference. All right. What is this part?
Negative 230.
All right, for D now. For D was negative 230, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
your gross profit was negative, right?
Yes, sir. Plus
You see,
0.
well, you see when you in this case now, you have negative 230 plus 0 equal to
Negative 230. Negative.
Negative 230 again.
Minus 1,708.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes. Speak.
My internet was not working. I don't understand how you get the 230. You can tell me the procedure, what you do to get the 230?
All right, the 230 is coming from up top.
Oh, you get it. What you do to get it?
Right here, sir.
All right, yeah.
It is a gross profit from D. You understand?
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thanks.
Look, so because both questions are connected, that's the reason why. So it's 9580 minus 9530. Sorry. 9350 minus 9580 without giving you negative 30. Right? Good. Without giving you negative 30. Sorry, negative 230. Good. But we are bringing it down now to calculate the net profit, right? So you have negative 30 plus the 0 for D.
Me understand this part, you know. Me just never catch up the first part.
Oh. All right. Anyway, so let's continue this part then.
All right. Thanks much.
You're welcome. So therefore, it will be negative 230, which is a gross profit from above, plus 0. That would equal to negative 230 still.
Minus 1.
Minus 1,780. That now would equal to
negative 2,010.
And answer will be negative
2010.
2010. All right, so it will be negative 2010. Therefore, you have a gross loss of 2010.
No.
All right. I want to do the last one. So the last one supposed to add to the last one. That's it now, right? Let's move on. I have spent a lot of time there so because I want to get understanding fully. All right, let's go. Now, before drawing up a trading profit and loss account, you should prepare the what? Trial balance. We should do the last class, right? Now, this contains nearly all information needed. All right. Later on in this, in the course, you will see that certain adjustments have to be made, but we'll ignore these at this stage. All right. Now, we can now look at the trial balance of B Swift, drawn up as on December 31, 2005, after the completion of his first year in business. Now, before I go any further, to the folks, I'm going to stop share and share something else, because I wanted to draw up a format for the trading profit and loss account. All right, before I go any further. So give me I'm going to share something else. Give me a minute, please. 1 minute. 1 minute. Thank you. All right, so there are two. All right, thank you for that. You have two formats to do do the income statement, otherwise called a trading and profit and loss statement, right? This format is called the vertical format, right? Right. The other format, this is called the what? This is called the horizontal format, but you won't use this any at all. They don't even look funny. Do like see it, please and thanks very much. This is the format we should be using. This is used internationally all over the world. All right, so therefore, notice when I'm doing up more statements in the future, you might see me use 3 columns sometimes. All right. Now what will happen? So therefore, first thing you have is you have sales, then you'd have less sales returns, right? That would give you sales. This figure now is called net sales. Then folks, I would recommend that you write this down for me, please. Write it down for me, please. Write it down. You have to know it by heart. All right. So I'm going to add something here. So this part now is called this section right here is called net sales. So this right here is called what? Net sales, right? All right, then you will see me, the next heading will come afterwards, is called it cost of goods sold. So you'd have something called less cost of goods sold right here. You have less cost of goods sold. And this you can put a colon here. So then after that now, you're under this section now, you'd have opening inventory, otherwise called opening stock. They would add purchases, and you would less return outwards. Now the return outwards, is subtracted primarily from 12,000 from the purchases, all right? Good. You see me do it differently sometimes, but it's the same procedure, same process, same thing you carry through, right? So you subtract return outwards from purchases, and then you add whatever you get to the 3,000, and you get 40,200 in this case. Then less closing inventory, just 4,000 in this case, that will give you 10,200. Now, the 10,200 is called cost of sales or cost of goods sold. They're going to subtract the cost of goods sold now from what? Net sales, and that'll give you a gross profit of 9,200. Then you would add your other income, or otherwise called what? Other revenue. In this case, other revenue is discount received, and that will give you a figure of 9,800. Then now you would less expenses, which are in this case wages, lighting, rent, general expenses carried outwards. So you would add up all the expenses them, and get 75 in this case, subtract it from their gross profit and other revenue, which is 98. And then there, in this case, no, the net profit of 2,300. All right? That's how you write, this is how you write up income statement or trading profit and loss account. Now, please note that you must always write a what? Heading. You always at least 1 or 2 marks for what? Headings. Good. And the normal circumstances, what I would normally do is to write the 20,000 and the 500 over here, and then write the ending figure that it says over here. Normal, that's what normal, but it wouldn't be incorrect in this case. Right. Let's go to it. Everybody have this one, by the way? Everybody write this one, by the way? Everybody write this down. Talk to me, please, somebody.
No, we're writing it.
We know done
it so fast.
All right. I give you a few minutes right now. Bit fast. Finish? Oh, the rhythm of my heart. All right. Body finish, all right? Somebody respond, please. They finish or not, me gone. Hello? Anybody finish?
Yes, we can't finish so quick.
I want to do someone. All right, let me log in the move on. So make sure you're done before images them up. I want me lift. So when we log in, we continue. Please re-log in.